Dr. O. 3 minutes meditation for stress relief and inner calm with Dr. O. Hello. Welcome to this moment of peace. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we'll gently let go of stress and invite calm into your body and mind. Take a comfortable seat or lie down. Let your hands rest softly. Gently close your eyes. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With every breath, allow your body to soften. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, and your belly gently rise and fall. Right now, there is nothing you need to do, nothing to fix. Just breathe and be. Thoughts may come, that's okay. Notice them, like clouds in the sky, and gently let them pass. With each exhale, imagine releasing the tension from your body. Breathe out stress. Breathe in peace. Now, imagine a calm, gentle light around you. A soft blue or golden light. Warm, safe, comforting. Let it wrap around your body like a blanket, soothing every part of you. From your head to your heart to your toes. You are safe. You are held. You are calm. Let's sit in this stillness together for a few more moments. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath, back to your body, back to the room around you. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring a small smile to your face. Thank you for sharing this peaceful moment with me. You are doing great. Be kind to yourself today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meditation videos only on Dr. O. Thanks for watching Dr. O. Dr. O.